The 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLA Shooting Brake is here, and it's redefining what a compact wagon can be in the electric age. Sleek, versatile, and tech-packed, this all-new model isn't just about design, it's about performance, efficiency, and options for every kind of driver. Let's start under the hood, or rather, under the floor. The CLA Shooting Brake is available in two all-electric variants, starting with the CLA 250 Plus. This rear-wheel drive version delivers a strong 268 horsepower and 247 lb-ft of torque, offering quick acceleration and smooth power delivery. But the real jaw-dropper? A WLTP-rated range of up to 473 miles, thanks to its highly efficient design and 85 kWh NMC battery. Need more traction and power? Step up to the CLA 350 4MATIC. It comes with a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup producing 349 horsepower and 380 lb-ft of torque. This model adds performance confidence in all conditions, while still offering a very respectable 453 miles of range. Visually, the CLA Shooting Brake continues Mercedes' design legacy. The wagon body style blends aerodynamic lines with premium proportions, giving it both practicality and sophistication. The long roofline and sloping rear hatch offer generous cargo capacity and second-row headroom, all while looking stunning from any angle. Step inside, and the interior is where the CLA truly shines. The latest MBUX system is front and center, now with dual 10.25-inch displays as standard, running a faster and more intuitive interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, natural voice assistant, and over-the-air updates keep the tech fresh and convenient. Ambient lighting with up to 64 colors, turbine-style air vents, and soft-touch materials create a premium atmosphere. There's also more cargo space in the rear than the coupe-style CLA, making it surprisingly practical for road trips or active lifestyles. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2026 CLA Shooting Brake includes features like active lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, blind spot assist, and optional augmented reality navigation for improved situational awareness. It's one of the safest and smartest vehicles in its class. In summary, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLA Shooting Brake continues to deliver an ideal blend of style, performance, and utility. Whether you're a design-focused urban driver or a weekend adventurer needing extra cargo space, the CLA Shooting Brake offers something unique in a sea of generic SUVs. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle statement.